Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and I've been playing Overwatch for a while now. Since Season 1, in fact. I'm an average level player. I'm not gonna say that I'm amazing or that I deserve Master or Grandmaster, but I do have enough experience with the game to give some average advice to average players looking to climb and have fun. So today I'm gonna be talking about the best way that I found to climb out of gold to plat and have fun in competitive Overwatch. You could probably also apply this to climbing out of bronze and silver. Not sure if it works for diamond and above, but at that point you're not climbing out of hell. You're already within your goal range. My advice is this. Find a group of friends to play with. I've played lots of solo queue and competitive, and I've realized that this is a really great way to get burnt out from comp, mainly due to toxicity from randoms and the resulting tilt from losses. The more friends I have in comp games, the more fun I have. Duo is fine, same with 3 or 4 stacking. 6 stacking is great, but the magic number in my experience is 5 stacking. This is because it's easier to coordinate with friends rather than strangers, whether it comes to team compositions or strategies. You and your friends have a sort of flow from playing together that it makes it easier to adjust to each other's abilities. If you're 5 stacking and the random player isn't holding up their end, it might be possible that the rest of your team could carry enough for you to still win. Or if your team isn't doing well, then maybe the random person could carry you. The reason I don't say 6 stacking is the best option is because if you're lacking in the coordination department and you match against a team who is a little more coordinated but you both have the same technical skill, it could result in a loss. Last season, Season 8, we've played 65 5 and 6 stack games. We only won 9 of the 25 6 stack matches, which is a 36% win rate, whereas compared to winning 34 out of the 45 stack matches, which is an 85% win rate. So we've had a higher win rate last season from playing with a 5 stack over a 6 stack. Through that, we were able to raise the ranking of 5 of my friends, myself included, up 1. 2 of them moved from silver to gold, and the rest moved from gold to plat by the end of season. Now, the fun part is that at the end of the day, you're just playing games with your friends. If any crazy plays happen, you're all there to see it. If you lose, you're all there to experience the same traumatic event together. Yes, you guys are playing competitive, but maybe it's not so much about the climb as it is about having a good time. Oh, that rhymed, what do you know? Anyway, those are my tips on how to climb ranks and have fun in competitive Overwatch. I'm gonna leave you with a video where we 5 stacked and we got stomped on by the enemy team on their attack. We were barely able to take all 3 points on our attack. We were at a 1 minute to 5 minute overtime. We had a major disadvantage, but I'll leave the video there for you to watch. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of my tips down in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Left.
Let's go far left,
Left top?
around.
Top?
Yeah.
Wait, far left or left top?
I'll just
Choose which way.
Let's go left. There's a Rhine up here. Push up here.
Up top then.
Yeah.
I
Break that barrier. Break that barrier. Oh my
Ooh,
god.
that's a lot of damage.
How did it get me? Just specifically me.
He's low, he's low, he's low.
Oh,
Ryan,
shit.
Ryan,
Okay, okay.
No. I mean,
I cannot heal any of that.
Man, it was the Reaper. It was the Reaper. We should have went around. It's okay. We do it this time.
Alright.
I have ult already though, if you guys come back.
Okay.
I'm gonna go harass far left.
I'm just gonna poke with you in this corner. Watch out, Widow and Rhino watching us. Widow's in the...
I'm about to go in.
Mercy low, mercy low, mercy low.
Yeah. Reaper's behind you guys.
I'm trying to get Mercy.
Watch out for Reaper, he's behind.
He hammered.
Coming in. Mercy dead, Mercy dead.
Nice. Get that. Watch Reaper.
I got him, I got him.
Widow.
Widow low, Widow low. Hold on. Pinpoint. Widow low.
Nice. Widow's still up there. Just shoot one. Thank you. Good shit. Alright, I'm gonna stay on the yeah. I'll stay on the point.
I'll go with Jackson.
Or should I push forward because I'm DPS? Actually, I'm gonna push forward a little. Reaper right side.
You might ult.
He's teleporting above us.
He's behind.
He's still up there.
Oh, nice.
He's going down.
He might be looking. He's in the room.
He's up front. Oh
Sorry, what's your ult at?
No, he's open.
I ate it.
Nice.
Got the Rhine. She didn't get the res. She didn't get the res.
I'm getting Mora. I'm getting Mora.
Heals, back up.
I'm getting
More in front. More in front. I'll try to get that fair. I'm just trying not to leave the point right now. Reaper behind. Reaper behind.
Widow in front.
More down. Get the Reaper.
Dead.
Reaper down.
Nice. I'm gonna push forward. I'm gonna push and harass.
I'm gonna go with Sean.
I must have ult.
My ultimate is charging.
Watch out, Ryan's
Did he use Shadow already?
No. He used it in the first fight, that's it.
Ooh, I got Mercy.
Mercy down. Mercy down.
Nice.
All right, I'm good. Keep pushing.
We can draw this, guys. We can draw this. He switched to McCree. Flowers McCree.
Okay.
Flowers
They have a
McCree,
bastion,
Flower
they have a
McCree.
bastion.
No, they have a Bastion.
I almost
Watch
have
out,
pulse bomb though.
Bastion's
I almost have
setting
pulse
up
bomb.
He's setting up behind us. Oh shit, I didn't need to go in.
That's fine.
Oh
Fine.
God!
Stay on the point. Stay on the point. I'm gonna get Bastion. I'm gonna get
Bastion
Bastion.
in that room. Bastion in that room. Very low.
Give me heal.
Oh, I can't. Oh, hold on. I was like. Oh no.
What?
Oh my god.
I'm dumb. I'm sorry. I fucked up. I
okay.
fucked
No.
up.
It's not your fault.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, I killed my. I got the Bastion, but I didn't dash.
I think we need a Reinhardt.
Yeah, Derek,
Yeah.
could you do that? They're probably gonna run Reaper again.
Oh yeah, never mind. You're right. I forget because they're gonna play Widow. My head's like the size of the freaking moon.
And your eyes are the size of the moon.
Her head is the size of the moon.
Can't say too.
Feels so good. Just
the way
wish.
it should. When it's
Come
night
on.
in the
Come on, Cycle, let's have some fun.
off my
He's crouching with them.
Good push so far, dude. Cycle.
Yeah, that actually wasn't too bad.
Alright, we
Considering we're
gotta.
pushing in overtime.
Yeah, we gotta fuck up that. We gotta fuck up that Widow.
See if they run Widow this time. Most likely, but yeah, because like making him switch, like he's not as effective.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he doesn't play that McCree as well.
Defend objective A.
Should I hold?
Zarya,
Hold
pharmacy.
down or go up?
They're
They
going
got a
around.
Zarya and pharmacy.
Are they going up there now?
I don't know. I've had to back out.
Looks like
Oh,
they're
they're coming.
Right side, right side, right side.
They're going up
Watch out.
and Ferris flanking. Ferris.
Alright,
Split push,
alright,
split push.
Sorry.
Barrow's flanking on side. I'll try to get her.
Someone's on point.
Pharmacy. I'll get Reaper.
Bye, Ryan.
I kept Zarya out. Zarya's low.
Ooh, I can't reach you.
No, the stupid bubble.
I got her.
Flower dead.
Nice.
Reaper's live.
Oh, he's low.
I'm gonna harass Mercy.
I got the Pharah. I'm throwing out damage just for kills.
Reaper low. Or Ryan low. Get the Mercy.
Got him.
Nice.
Good shit.
Nice hold.
I have Grav. Sorry, not Grav. I
What
have,
is my
My
mouse
ultimate
doing?
is
Did
charging.
you work? Okay, there we
There we
go.
go.
My mouse bugged out for a second. I got scared.
Are they up top? If they're up top, I'm gonna go hold up top. Actually, it's better to stay up here than down low.
Reaper's up here now.
Okay, watch out. Is it just Reaper?
No.
No.
I just went in to throw damage.
Take care. I'm Baby Diva.
Yeah. Oh, behind. Fair behind.
Fine.
Zarya on point.
I'm ulting.
I'm gonna rush into point.
Wicked.
Watch out.
What?
Try not to die.
Justice reigns.
You guys are good. They bursted a lot of ults.
What?
Who's still on point?
Me.
All three of us.
Okay, cool. I'm coming back.
Ooh, I'm trying.
I'm almost dead. Ooh, I got pushed, which saved me. Oh, fuck, I died.
Nah, they got this.
That's fine.
Oh no.
It's
winnable.
Oh, yeah, just
Just eat their time. Fuck them up.
Wait, any heals.
Oh, I can't. Ooh, this get her out.
Remember, guys, we play better under pressure.
No. Ooh. It's okay. That was a good ult.
Oh, fuck, I tried to touch it. Sorry.
You can just eat their time.
We might need to get off the triple tank, but because they don't have a Widow anymore.
I'm staying for Pharah.
I'm
We need a little more heals.
Wolf, John, we go faster.
What?
We need stronger heals, I think.
Yeah, we need stronger heals.
Darnell, maybe Mercy? What do you think?
Reaper's going around back.
War is enough. We need.
Lucio,
I was gonna say, yeah, if you could trade Lucio.
Yeah, because Lucio doesn't.
Confirming too much.
I have ult right now.
Zarya.
got one. Zarya.
Nice.
Reaper's coming in. Oh, never mind. Ryan's back.
Is your shield down? Nope. He's charging.
His shield's up.
I'm ulting.
I'm harassing them from behind.
Watch out for ult.
Why am I stuck?
I got two.
Got damage flying at Ryan if anyone's typing Ryan.
Watch this Zarya, she's super lit.
Yeah.
This is good.
Nice. Fuck him up. Keep swinging.
Oh, the trades. Oh my god, they traded. It's okay, guys.
That's fine.
It's okay.
That's fine,
don't have enough
we're doing good. I'm gonna try and stall.
I was gonna say stop moving forward because the ult.
Yeah. At least they blew what?
I'm gonna stall in 3.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're coming in.
He definitely has ult.
Ryan's
I'm contesting, but I'm low.
oh shit.
Yeah, he's. I have 3 HP. How the fuck?
Keep me.
Dying.
Oh my god, dude, I had 3 HP for the longest time. 30 seconds.
Okay, we need to contest this.
Back in the game.
Alright, we got this. Watch for flanks. Where's the Reaper?
Break shields.
Yeah. Watch out for that. Nice.
Perfect. Watch out for Reaper. He's behind. He's on.
Stay on it.
I got Reaper.
Oh my god. Contest.
Oh, we're contesting. We're hard contesting. I'm not living.
Oh, that fucking Mercy. I'm gonna try and get her, but I don't know.
Just keep her from rezzing the
Well, that just
I'm on the way.
Ryan.
Got you healed. So, we need that fair.
Get the Pharah.
Nice.
Oh, fuck yeah. That's big.
Watch out for that.
They're low. They walled at me. They have a me.
Who's on point, May?
It's her.
That's it. That's game. That's fucking game. Let's go, boys.
Let's go.
Yo. Let's fucking go, boys. That was amazing.
Play of the game.
Fuck you, Billy Mays.
Billy Mays here.
Yeah, this was. we
Dude, I can't. Oh my god. Guys,
That was
again.
nice. Yeah, we got. Oh fuck. It was nice shatter. Oh, nice Reaper ult.
I could have got some kills off, but I got booped off.
Guys, I can't believe I got that fucking. Oh, at the end.
Nice.
Yeah, right at the end, I stuck
It
him.
was a good post bomb.